Dear student, today we will see capacitor and capacitance. First we know about the capacitor. What is capacitor? A capacitor is an arrangement of two conductors separated by an insulating medium that is used to store electric charge and electric energy. On the basis of capacity, capacitor are two types. First one, capacitor of fixed capacitance or capacity. Second one is capacitor of variable capacitance or capacity. Capacitor are also known as condenser. It is older name of capacitor, or some writers write about that the air core capacitor are called condenser. So always remember the old name of capacitor is condenser. There are three types of condenser or capacitor: parallel plate capacitor, spherical capacitor and cylindrical capacitor. It is or on the basis of the name of the electric medium, that is paper capacitor, electrolyte capacitor, mica capacitor or ceramic capacitor, etc. But we study only the capacitor on the basis of C, that is parallel plate capacitor, spherical capacitor and cylindrical capacitor. What is the purpose of capacitor? It is used to store the electric charge and also store the electrical energy for a small period. It can safely store and release large amount of charge. Then use of the capacitor or condenser. Capacitor can be used in electrical appliances such as fans, electric motor, power factor improver, voltage regulator, and in the electronic instrument like radios, television sets, computer, etc. Now we see what is electrical capacitance or capacity. The capacitance of a capacitor or condenser is the measure of the ability to store the electric charge. If we Q charge given to a capacitor such that its potential increases by V, then it is found that Q directly proportional to V. or we can say Q is equal to CV. C is the constant of proportionality called electrical capacitance or capacity of a capacitor. Thus, from the above equation, that is Q equal to CV, we can write C is equal to Q by V. From this equation, we can define the capacitance or condenser such as electrical capacitance of a capacitor is the ratio of charge on the capacitor to the potential due to this charge. Now, if we took V equal to unity, then Q equal to C. From this relation, also we can define the capacitance or capacity of a capacitor or condenser. Then electrical capacitance is defined as the charge required to raise its potential through unity. Capacitance is a scalar quantity. The capacitance of a capacitor depends upon the three factors: shape and size of conductor, second one, nature of surroundings medium, third one, presence of other conductor in its neighborhood. The unit of capacitance. The SI unit of capacitance is farad, which is equal to coulomb per volt. The capacitance of a capacitor is said to be 1 farad if a charge of 1 coulomb is given in it to increase its potential through 1 volt. And remember one thing more, that the capacity of a capacitor is given by C is equal to Q by V. If the capacity of a capacitor is C, that means the medium between the capacitor is air or vacuum. It is also called air core capacitor. That is, if the air core capacitor has a capacity C, but when we insert a dielectric medium which dielectric constant is K in the above air core capacitor, then its capacity increased by the dielectric constant times of air core capacity. That means if the air core capacitor capacity is C, and when we insert the dielectric medium which dielectric constant is K, then new capacitance C dash equal to Kc, where K is the dielectric constant and C is the capacity of a capacitor of air core. It's all for